Hey guys, good morning. I am just having my first coffee of the day here after 30 days without any coffee. I did a little post about it yesterday and how I went off it for 30 days to see if there would be any differences, and I kind of posted a little bit about some of the observations that I had from it, which you can see more in the post, but I didn't really notice any big changes, which was kind of disappointing. I thought I was going to get all these changes and benefits, and I really didn't. So I was like, my mornings are just really boring. That's the only difference. So I decided yesterday to have my first cup, and it was as delicious as you can imagine it would be. And I'm making my LevelUp Latte, which is my coffee with collagen in it. Some of you know I like to do it that way instead of doing like a fatty coffee or those kinds of bulletproof coffees and things. I do a LevelUp Latte which has just gelatin in it, and I get so many questions about the difference between gelatin and collagen. I like to use these gelatin sheets that I find here. I found them also at some grocery stores in the US and Canada, and you can also order them online. They're just called leaf gelatin or gelatin sheets, and they are so inexpensive. You can also get the powdered form of gelatin just in any supermarket baking aisle, but there's no real difference between just this plain gelatin and the super expensive collagen powders that you get. The only difference is that gelatin is cooked and collagen is not cooked. So collagen dissolves into any kind of liquid. Gelatin, you use it in a blender. So I like to blend mine up with a cup of coffee, and I'm about to do that right now. But they have the exact same benefits in terms of repairing your gut lining and having so many incredible other positive health boosting benefits. So I've got a hot cup of coffee here. I'm going to put it in the blender with a couple of gelatin sheets, and it's going to blend up and be super frothy and delicious. The main reason I like to make these LevelUp Lattes, as I call them, is because it's a great way to get gelatin in. And I don't know about you, but I get so tired of bone broth. Making bone broth, drinking bone broth. I love to just have it in my coffee. It makes a nice, like plain coffee, a little bit frothy and delicious. And gelatin and collagen have so many incredible benefits. They heal your gut, they strengthen your hair, your teeth, your bones. They're full of amazing protein. Collagen in your body is basically the glue that holds everything together, and that's why it can heal your gut. It helps with your mood, because when you don't have a leaky gut from having a repaired gut, it has all these incredible other benefits, especially if you have joint pain or autoimmune conditions that can come from leaky gut. So anyway, I'm going to pour this coffee into my blender here, and you can see I'm going to add in the gelatin sheets. So I've got that coffee, pour it in, and I'm going to add in the gelatin sheets and froth it up. So this is what the sheets look like, but you can also just get plain gelatin that you get in the baking aisle, and you can add in 1 or 2 of these. That's about all you need, and just blend for about 30 seconds or so. You can see how super frothy just 1 sheet of gelatin did to that, and I'm going to pour it into my mug here. It is amazing how frothy that gets, and it really doesn't take a lot to make it so creamy, and that's just pure gut repairing, health fortifying coffee right there, with some caffeine to boot. Cheers, you guys. That is so frothy and delicious. You gotta try it.